Let's get started on Zap. Visit the official Zap website, which is zaap.ai, and create an account. We have two options to create an account on Zap. We can use our Google account or email address. I will use email address to create the account. Our account has been created successfully. Now let's choose our unique Zap link. I will choose Zap HQ. Now we can add our socials. I will add our Instagram account. You can always add or change the social accounts later. It's time to give our Zap profile a profile picture, name and bio. You can always change these information later on. Let's choose a theme for our profile. We have these pre-made themes to get you started. We have successfully created our Zap page. Let's check it out. Let's add some contents to our page. On Zap, we have unique customizable blocks to build our page. Let's add a link folder, our socials, and add our Instagram page. You can change the order on how the blocks appear on your page by dragging the blocks using the move handle. You can disable the block from appearing on your page by this toggle button. Let's add a custom theme for our page. You can customize the color of header, background, links, and button. Now let's check how our custom theme looks like. You can also add your own profile banner if you want. Here you can add the socials links which appears below your username on the page. We have a lot of feature like collecting emails of your page visitors, sending newsletters, selling digital products and advanced analytics. We will show you how to use these features on upcoming videos.